In this video, we shall be looking at another exchange. Last time we looked at Binance, we saw how you could actually transact with Binance, how we can actually buy or sell cryptocurrencies. We saw a whole lot of things in Binance. Today, we shall be looking at another centralized exchange known as CoinW. I love this exchange because it has some particularity. In fact, if you are using this centralized exchange, out of the 562 exchanges that we have on CoinMarketCap today, Coin Exchange occupies number 29. We can actually look at it right here. If you click on exchanges on CoinMarketCap, let's just quickly scroll down here, and we shall be seeing that this particular exchange occupies number 26 positions as from today. All right, out of the 562 exchanges on CoinMarketCap, and these people are doing a spot trading within 24 hours of more than $1 trillion, and they own assets of about $10 million. So I just love using these exchanges because they have a lot of particularities that I'll be showing you in some of the videos below this. So guys, when you look at these exchanges known as CoinW, they have approximately 7 million users, and they are ranked the 8th position among the global exchanges. And you know what? They have a lot of license, financial license of the USA, MAS license of Singapore, SVGV, SA license, and other financial regulatory license in many countries and regions, and is operational in compliance to issue the interest of users. So guys, I just love this exchange because it has a lot of advantages. One of the main things I'll be teaching you in this particular training session is the fact that this CoinW offers you signals, daily signals. If you want to trade on their futures platform, they actually offers you daily signals that you can make 10, 20, 40% of your money daily. And I love it. I'm like, okay, all of you who are doing my academy, let me give it to you. You might want to try it. You might want to use it, but I'm going to give you step by step from registration. How do you sign up in this exchange? How do you actually deposit? How do you trade futures in this particular video? See you soon.